Okay, so this is the Team Beachbody Share Cart demonstration, and you can see I just put in an email address here, name, and if it's US, Canada, or United Kingdom, which is where you can currently do business with Beachbody, and then of course the language that the person speaks that you're sending it to. You want to pick customer or coach. Okay, and you have to check this check marks. Yes, I have permission to enter this person's email. Hit continue, and then you'll see a shop come up. Now, most people are buying challenge packs, so you would click here and pick the appropriate thing. But say they just wanted supplements, or you just talked to them about supplements. So you click on the nutrition supplements, and you'll see all the options. Now remember, you can add things to a cart even if you haven't discussed it with a person, because they can just remove it from the cart. But say you've talked to someone and now you're like, oh, I should have told them about our Beachbody bars, because these are the healthiest protein bars on the market. So you can add those and then just shoot them an email and say, hey, listen, I added a few things to your cart. If you don't want them, just take them out. Let me know after you've ordered. But then there's Beachbody Performance line. It's always cheapest to buy it in a pack. So for example, we've got the Energize and Recover in its own little packs. Here's the orange, here's the chocolate, and then we have the whole line with or without creatine. So you have the Energize alone. We have Energize and Hydrate in individual serving packets. But it always look, there are these little faint arrows that can take you over. So like, don't ever think like this is your only option. If you see these faint arrows, or maybe you see two dots down here, and then you just pick what you've discussed, and these will be like the same packages. It's just a different flavor of Recover, because Recover comes in chocolate or it comes in orange. And then obviously I'm always going to tell you the best prices that we always have or ever have includes Beachbody On Demand. So that would be a challenge pack, or say the person already has Beachbody On Demand, then you're looking for what we call as a completion pack. And that's where it's filling in with the performance line on top of their already active Beachbody On Demand account. So this is the performance packs, okay? Which again, anything that's a pack is always going to be cheaper than just buying it alone. Then we have Daily Sunshine. I'm in nutritionals, so that's why I'm showing this, because if they didn't buy a challenge pack, then I wanted you to see how to get to nutritionals. So say somebody is just going to do Energize and Recover. That's what you've discussed with them. Then these packs would be down here. If they want to add Recharge, or you really think they need to, which most people do, especially if you're just starting to work out, because this is magic and will help them not be so sore. Yes, Recover helps us not be so sore, as well as Energize. But it is the Recharge that really allows us to continue working out, without feeling like death, basically. But I always tell people, if you're going to get these three, then you might as well just get this pack and get the Hydrate, because you're going to spend as much on these three, a few extra dollars, and get yourself some Hydrate in this advanced performance stack. And then the final thing I just wanted to say in this tutorial is always remember that anything you're ordering from Team Beachbody, you want to order on auto ship because of the shipping costs. There's no sense in paying extra shipping when you can just order on auto ship and cancel it before the second shipment comes if you decide to cancel it. And last but not least, always remember 30-day money-back guarantee on anything we have. You can try it, use it all, send it back, send back the empty container, and get a full refund. I hope this has been helpful.